Tornado warning. Right after the tornado watch.
The National Weather Service in League City has issued a tornado warning for East Central Austin County in southeastern Texas, northwestern Fort Bend County in southeastern Texas, southern Waller County in southeastern Texas, until 1:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 12:52 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Fulshear, Oregon, 7 miles northwest of Richmond, moving north at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Katy, Brookshire, Fulshear, Simonton, San Felipe, Patterson, Weston Lakes, Cinco Ranch, and Monteville. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.
Like 2 minutes after the tornado watch just got issued.